presence across 5 continents for more than 50 years, thousands of RF dryers across the world proudly bear the name Strayfield, because its superior technology provides gentle and uniform drying at high production rates. Parallel rods could create a high-density, non-uniform field, which can lead to a poor moisture profile, which causes checking and product damage. Strayfield dryer's superior through-field electrode technology helps keep such problems at bay by creating a low-density, uniform RF field that passes through the product. Strayfield's moving electrode design provides fast response to moisture variation and efficiency of operation that fixed electrode systems cannot match. Power can be varied at a rate of 15% per second or better to account for variation in input moisture levels. Directly coupling power into the load instead of adjusting the source provides greater efficiency of operation. Strayfield dryers deliver power using a proprietary balanced output design, which leads to a more efficient means of energy transfer and uniform field distribution. Unlike fixed single electrode systems, which are inferior in these aspects. Strayfield uses hygienic design principles and SS304 grade material for its fully welded structure. Our construction makes the dryers safe from EMF emissions and easy to clean and maintain. RF energy sources can cause interference with other government-controlled communication bands reserved for aircrafts or cell phones, inviting the ire of the local authorities and forced shutdown of the interference-causing device. Strayfield's proprietary filter-at-source technology ensures no interference and true compliance with CISPR 11-based standards like EN 55011. Strayfield dryers thus work as much as 33% more efficiently than competing RF dryers, provide greater productivity and higher product quality.